Hi, my name is Kelly Francis. I'm a fifth grade teacher and I teach a section of sixth grade social studies here in Blue Valley Randolph Middle School. We are a tiny little 1A school. I really love what I do. I love the small classrooms. This year I have a total of 20 students, which is the largest I've had in the past 5 years. Last year's class was only 9, so it's kind of a huge difference going from 9 to 20. I'm getting used to it. I'm kind of getting in the swing of things. As well as teaching, I am the head volleyball coach for the middle school here. I am this year my first time doing assistant coaching basketball. I don't know what I'm doing there, but I'm going to give it my best. I am also a mom to a wonderful 10-year-old who happens to be in my class this year since I am the only fifth grade teacher. I hope to gain from this course is the knowledge to be able to use Google tools more efficiently and effectively. Since being in the MIT program, I've learned more about using different tools and stuff to add into my classroom repertoire and becoming more confident with allowing my students, especially my fifth graders, to use the internet and computers and all of that. I really didn't have the confidence and knowledge really to allow my younger students to get on, but I'd always allow my sixth graders. That's when we started doing more projects. I'd like to start incorporating more projects into my classroom with my fifth grade students as well, and I'm hoping that through this I'll be able to use Google tools more effectively and efficiently. I'm excited to get started, and let's have a great semester.